Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I am going to be sharing the ultimate guide for egg substitution for baking. But first, if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. The recent egg price surge due to the avian flu outbreak has left many bakers scrambling for alternatives. With egg shortage and rising costs, finding reliable substitutions has become more important than ever. Understanding the science behind egg replacements can help you choose the best option for your recipe. Eggs contribute to baking in 4 key ways. One is structure, second is moisture, third is binding, and fourth is leavening. And to replace eggs, we need substitutes that mimic those functions. And the best choice depends on what role eggs plays on your recipe. If you want to read more deep on this matter, please click the link above, or also in the description of this video I will leave you the link. And here is a little chart of very good egg substitutions. And among the more popular are flaxseed meal, chia seeds, applesauce, mashed bananas, yogurt, tofu, vinegar with baking soda, commercial egg substitute, carbonated water, and nut butter. And which egg substitute should you use for your recipe? As I mentioned before, everything depends on your recipe. For binding ingredients, flaxseed meal, chia seeds, and tofu are very good. For moisture, applesauce, mashed bananas, and yogurt. For leavening, vinegar, plus baking soda or carbonated water. And for structure, commercial egg replacement or nut butter. And understanding the science behind these ingredients helps ensure that your egg-free baked goods are going to turn out just as delicious. Okay guys, this is it for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.